Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. J Dolls UK and I have been collabing, doing some Dolls Gone Goth collabs and challenges where we have picked a topic and then we have asked you to join in dressing your own dolls to that theme. Well, we're going to continue that because not only are we having such a good time, it seems the doll community is having a good time. We love that. For September, we had decided to let you choose the theme for the Gothic challenge. And we came up with 3 areas that we would like for you to choose from. The first one is skeletons and skulls. And that can be any kind of skulls or skeletons or anything like that you would like. Just dress your doll like a skeleton or in skeleton print or whatever you come up with because you all are clever. So there's skulls and skeletons or pirates or dark or black punk. Now, not steampunk. We are not looking for steampunk, which we could, but Tammy Polly, Peacecraft Dolls Tammy Polly, is already doing a steampunk collab in September. We are not gonna mix that up. So, dark punk or pirates or skulls and skeletons. You choose. Leave it in my comments and go to J Dolls UK's channel, and she also has a video on this today. Leave your comment there also, your choice. Thank you so much for participating. Gosh, this is fun, and we hope to take it out a few more months. We have different themes in mind. We're going to do witches in October, and we have a few more after that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.